Unbelievable. Okay.
Still fighting with Beck?
Oh, yeah. There.
What'd you text him?
Excuse me, will I be auditioning next?
Maybe.
Because I've been waiting for like 40 minutes and I...
Okay, take care now.
You're so good with people. So, why are we making a student film?
We're not.
So, why are we auditioning ladies to play Jessica?
Listen, this is Tori's idea, all right?
Oh, but all these ladies think they're auditioning for a role.
Here, open. Yeah, that's right. Cat likes cereal. Good, good. Want some more? Want some more? Yeah. Any more questions? Yeah, I didn't think so.
Ready for the next one?
Oh, okay. Auditioning next is Larissa Jensen.
Hi. Where do I audition?
Down the hall, take a left, third door on your right.
Thanks. Can I use your restroom first?
No.
One time, my brother tried to fill our pool with garbage.
That's really easy.
So, when is my money gonna get here?
We don't have...
Well, if you don't have money, then I guess you will have to work.
Okay, take your shoes off. We'll rub your feet.
Ew! Nobody's touching my feet. You will do restaurant work.
What do we have to do? We don't know how to chop squid.
That's the squid. That's the chopper. Use the chopper to chop the squid.
Can you go over it again?
No. Kwaku, sing the squid chopping song.
Aye. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Disappoint my father.
You know, sometimes I think I disappoint my father, too. And every time I try to bring it up...
Chop and sing.
Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Disappoint my father. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Chop, chop, chop the squid. Disappoint my father.
Well, did you terrible children finish chopping the squid?
Yes. We chopped all 17 pounds of your nasty squid, all right? See, now you have enough chopped squid to fill the Grand Canyon and 3 more medium-sized canyons.
They have medium-sized canyons?
Can we please leave?
You forgot to chop this piece of squid. See it? This piece still unchopped.
There! You happy?
Can we go?
Okay, now you two may get out.
Yes! Let's get back to school.
Everybody do that!
Hey!
Now you two gotta work here all day and night, so you pay for these broken dishes.
No!
Yeah, no!
He's gonna work here.
Yeah! What?
You broke the dishes. I broke nothing.
So you're just gonna leave me here?
Yepperty-doo-dah! Who is that? Hello?
Will you help me? I'm lost.
You're lost?
Will you please call my mom and tell her where I am?
Sure, I'll call your mom. What?
It's a trick. So we'll use our phones.
It's not a trick.
Who sent you?
I have asthma.
Was it Andre? Robbie? Beck? Who?
I just got lost. I took the wrong bus.
Well, you know what happens to little girls with asthma who take the wrong bus?
No.
They get a face full of door!
What does that mean?
Little grunch.
Can you believe those guys tried to trick us with a lost little girl? Just to try and make us use our phones? Jerks. Unless she really was a lost little girl. What if she was?
But she'll learn a valuable lesson. You know, always take the right bus.
Well, well, would a cute boy like another free sausage pizza with no peppers whatsoever?
You're weird.
Yeah, good weird. So, I don't suppose you want to eat this pizza all by yourself, do ya?
No?
So, I was thinking maybe I should go inside there with you and the two of us could share the...
What's going on?
Whoa, whoa, who's she?
It's my girlfriend.
Oh, so when were you going to tell me about this?
Can I just have my pizza?
Oh, yeah, you want your pizza? Okay, yeah, sure. Let me just get that for you, huh? We're over!
I don't think you should do the stunt.
I have to. I'll get blackballed in Hollywood if I back out. I don't want to get blackballed.
Then just do it.
And what if I end up in the hospital? Well, maybe you'll meet a handsome young doctor, get married, and share a soda pop. I don't talk like a movie star from the 1940s.
Oh my god, I love your dress.
Thanks. It's what I wear in the movie.
When I die.
Yee-hoo, like it's my dream to be Tori's understudy.
What's an understudy?
Oh, man.
An understudy is like a backup actor.
So if you get sick or something, your understudy takes over for your part in the play.
Yeah. Yeah, if you get sick. Or go missing. Or get hit by a bus!
She can't drive a bus, right?
It's called Monkey Time Bucket Balls.
Monkey Time Bucket Balls.
My goodness. I'm thirsty. So thirsty. Soda. Yes. Wet moisture. I wanted the audience to experience what a soda feels when it's drunk by me.
I bet that soda felt disgusted and ashamed.
What does it mean to be a woman?
Hey,
Hi.
I think that Evan guy is really dumb for not seeing how great you are. You want to hear the new song I've been working on?
I don't know if I'm in the mood to listen.
Please?
Okay.
I think you're swell. I think you're swell. You're the nugget in my chicken, make the peanuts and my butter. Adding fiber to our diet's beneficial for each other. You're a piece of dental floss and I am the teeth. You're Aretha Franklin, I'm R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I love you like a cops marathon on TV. I love you more than the original Star Wars trilogy. You're a guitar and I'm the strings, like a jet ski in the water. You're New York, I'm the buildings. You're my mother, I'm your father. And I think you're swell. And every day when you're walking down the street is like every other day because you're constantly walking down the street. And every day I'm only thinking about you and a bunch of other important things, but primarily you. And that's true, 'cause I think you're swell. I think you're swell. I'll be the Jagger to your Richards, the Captain Kirk to your Picard. If you're a molten lava room, I'll be the one in Evergard. We go together like pastrami on rye, like watching Titanic and trying not to cry. We go together like a parade to confetti, and later if you're hungry, I'll make you some spaghetti.
Would there be meatballs?
There would. And I think you're swell. I think you're swell. And I think you're swell.
Well?
Thank you for the ice cream cone.
I bought you the ice cream so you tell me where Tori and Beck are.
I don't know where they are. I feel like you did that on purpose.
I will buy you another one if you call Tori and find out where she and Beck are.
If you want to know so bad, why don't you call Tori?
Because she won't tell me if I ask. Okay.
We stopped. Am I in trouble?
Give me your phone.
Okay.
Good. Now lean towards me and put your head on my shoulder.
Sure.
Shh, don't fight it. Don't fight it.
Oh, it's Kat. Hello? Hey, Kat, what's up?
Are you and Beck having fun?
Yeah, but, you know, not too much fun.
So where are you guys right now?
We're at some food truck near Melrose and La Brea.
Melrose and La Brea, okay.
Hey, so what are you up to tonight?
Bye!
Melrose and La Brea, here we come.
You didn't sound anything like me.
Tori believed it was you.
You didn't get my laugh right.
Yeah, I did. You go,
I don't laugh like that.
puppies wearing sunglasses.
Dang it. Don't you just love how dogs hang their head out the window and lick the wind? What?
Pull your head back in the car before I roll up the window and cut it off.
My head's back in the car.
Now, call Tori and find out where Beck's taking her.
Aussie.
What?
I'm calling Tori. Hi.
Hey, Kat.
Hi.
What's up?
Where are you and Beck going?
His aunt called him and... Hey, how come you keep calling and asking where we are? You didn't tell anyone that Beck and I are out together, did you?
What? No, that's so crazy. She's suspicious. Hi, Tori. My brother locked me in the closet, so I'm really bored, and I just want to know what you guys are doing. That's so disrespectful.
Oh, well, Beck's aunt called him and asked him to take her dog to some animal hospital. And, we're on our way to pick him up.
Well, fun. Where's this animal hospital?
Sherman Oaks?
Wow, Sherman Oaks, that's so cool. Ah, here comes my brother. Bye.
Tori,
Yes?
the topic is sports. Who'll take it?
Trina!
I don't know anything about sports.
Good question. How many laces on a football?
The answer. Who cares?
Wrong! The points go to the yellow team! And for Trina, that's a doing.
No, not in my face. I mean it, not in my face.
Nuts and bolts!
What? What nuts and bolts?
All right, that puts us at 100 points for both teams.
My head is bleeding.
Please get off me, please.
I can't! Not till Jade gets here!
But I have to use the bathroom.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
Yeah.
It's open! Come in!
Okay, I'm here. Why are you sitting on Kat?
If I let her up, she might try to grab a real phone, and I don't know if I can stop her by myself.
I don't think you can. I'm pretty scrappy.
Hey, stop doing that!
So I'm here to assist you?
No, you're here to help all three of us. We're on the same team, and we've got to show the guys that we're stronger than them.
Dude, I am going insane at not using my phone, and so are you. And let's face it, Kat is a disaster.
Such a disaster.
There is no way she's gonna make it another 5 days without texting or using a phone for something.
It's true. I'd do anything to text someone right now, and I mean anything. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then let's just give up now.
Okay. Where's the phone? I need the phone. Where's the phone?
Wait!
No!
Help me!
Okay, I'm down.
Think about this. We know we can't win, but what if we can make the guys lose?
Yeah. If they lose, we win.
Uh-huh.
I'm not clear on the plan.
We're gonna trick the boys into using their phones before we do.
Oh, sounds great. Can I get up now?
You promise you won't run out and use a phone?
Promise.
Kat.
You better sit on me again.
Okay, F stop at 2.8. And focus. Hi.
I'm wearing Jupiter boots.
Any reason?
So I can be bouncy.
As we rolled on down the highway with the dead deer on the hood, I said, hey now, don't you spit on my baby. But I always knew he would. So, that's another song I wrote.
Mm-hmm.
I write tons of songs, all country.
All country?
Anyway, I have about 7 more if you want to hear them. I thought you didn't like tomato juice.
Yeah, but maybe if I drink enough, it'll kill me.
You're so funny.
Okay.
So, here's my next song, and let's get ready to go home.
Just go ahead and play. What? What'd you just ask me?
I just said, do you want to go home?
Yes! Yes! Oh, yes! Yeah! That's my new song. It's called Yes! It's off my new album called Andre's Going Home Now. All right.
Hey, this seems like a lot of pizza dough. Are you sure you read me the recipe right?
Yeah, I said 4 cups of flour.
You said 4 pounds of flour!
Oh, I meant 4 cups.
Oh, great. You get up off your butt and help me make this stupid pizza.
Oh, I think that's for me.
Who's here?
Pizza comes to $16.50.
Why would you order a pizza when we're making pizza?
Because I knew you'd fail. Can I have $20 to pay this guy?
No, you cannot have 20.
Wait, I'm sorry. Did you just say no? Because I think if Psychowitz were here, he might say, oh, someone sounds like a negative Nancy. So one more time, can I have $20? Give it to me.
Thanks. Hey, you girls are pretty. Maybe...
Hey, Jade. I was working on the set dressing for the interior of the well, and I found 2 different kinds of moss.
They look like your hair.
Thanks. This one's called Kentucky Red Moss, and this one comes...
Go!
You know, he's only trying to make your play better. So? So now he's got pee running down his leg.
I'm not responsible for St. John's bladder control or lack of it.
Why are you being such a baby? Okay, so you're not getting to do your play exactly how you want, but at least you're getting to do it.
Mm-hmm. And how do I explain that?
What? Tell me.
Hold out your wrist. I invited my dad to come see my play on opening night. And he hates me.
But why would anyone hate you?
He doesn't understand creative people. He thinks that wanting to be an actor or writer or director is stupid. So I invited him to my play because I thought it was going to be really good and hopefully make him finally have some respect for me. But then you let your restaurant lady turn it into a joke, which is just going to make my dad think he was absolutely right about my dreams being stupid and pointless. Thank you for ruining my life!
Dads.
Thanks, Tori. That really helps put things in perspective.
And then?
She thanked me for ruining her life.
At least she thanked you. Give me 1.
2.
What's Trina doing?
I'm putting avocado on my face to give it a natural glow.
I use no makeup.
You know, maybe you shouldn't tell so many people about that.
Wait, Jade's dad's only coming to the play on the first night, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So then why don't we just do it the way Jade wrote it for that one night?
Because Mrs. Lee's gonna be there and she wants it done her way.
But what if she's not there?
I think Kat just said something pretty smart.
Sorry?
No, it's good. Come on, come on, come on. How do we keep Mrs. Lee from going to the play on opening night? Bingo!
You got a plan?
No, I don't like this game. I want to play bingo.
Wait. Mrs. Lee is totally obsessed with celebrities.
Yeah?
If a celebrity walked into her restaurant right before the play started.
Or a fake celebrity.
Man, Mrs. Lee's about to leave. Where are they?
Oh, I texted Andre about... What do you find?
Here we go. Oh. Jackie Bonet. Oh my God, Jackie Bonet. Whoa. Okay, sorry.
Come on, guys. Let's back it up.
Who is she?
Her? You don't know who she is?
Maybe I've seen her before.
That's Jackie Bonet.
Jackie Bonet?
Yeah, she's starring in that huge new movie with Taylor Malone.
Oh, right. Excuse me, could I get a photograph with you for my wall of celebrities?
She'll be glad to take a picture with you after she's had her dinner.
But I got to go to a play right now.
She eats fast.
Dang it! What am I gonna do now?
You can't miss getting a picture with Jackie Bonet.
I hear she never eats at the same restaurant twice.
I have also heard that.
Okay, I'll wait for her to finish her stupid food.
What? You chucked my noodles! Oh! What was that for? You posted a video of you doing the Kyoki Powder Milk Challenge. So? I was gonna do that to get more followers, but now I can't because you did. Well, tough tooties! Don't you ever say tough tooties to me.
It's not true. It's true. Why would I do that? Tell me why.
Why don't you just admit it?
Admit what? The truth. I got nothing to admit.
It's your guys' problem.
Andre is desperate to get more followers.
At least I do my videos with my shirt on.
Well, nothing is as lame as having somebody tweet for you. Wow.
He can't prove that. Nobody can prove that I had anyone tweet for me.
Your grandmother's been tweeting for you and you know it.
You don't know Chiz.
Oh, don't I? Let's just read some of your tweets from last night. At 9:30, you tweeted, there's a Martian under my bed.
I thought there was.
And at 10:17, you tweeted, help me, my vacuum cleaner wants to eat me.
I got confused.
Hi. I just sat down and said hi.
Pat, if you're just gonna sit there and tweet stupid, pointless tweets, then please go sit somewhere else.
Tori is being mean to me. Hashtag cramps.
I'm gonna walk out that door, and I'm gonna count to 10.
Don't forget 3. Some people forget it.
If I get to 10 and you're not out there, I'm going home. And we're over. 1.
I would never fight with you.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
Get off! No!
You don't understand, I'm a really fun girl!
No, you're not!
So good looking!
What are you doing? Stop! Stop!
7. 8. 9. 10.
Let's play some cards.
Hey, Northridge! Would you just plug it into that wall there? Thanks.
Some girls aren't so smart.
Uh-huh. Yay! My phone came on!
Yay! My phone came on!
Oh, man!
Oh, man!
You got the Talking Reggie app?
You got the Talking Reggie app?
Yes.
Yes?
Turn it off.
Shut up!
Shut up!
Hey, Vega. Tori. What? Try this coffee and tell me what it tastes like. Hazelnut? I don't know. I found it in the garbage. Hey, Tori. Hey, Tori's friend. Yeah, I'm not really her friend. Hey, are you gonna finish your coffee?
No, Jade found this in the... You can have it. That's right. Drink the garbage coffee.
Hey, kid, where's my stinking yogurt? Hey, what's up, little coworker?
Just ready to get to it.
Cool. Mr. Mooney, Tori's here.
Just a minute.
What are these?
Coconut raisins.
And these?
Peanut butter chips.
Happy tongue. What's this, white stuff?
That's what we use to clean the counter.
Jade? And now you're in my house.
This kite is broken.
Okay, and?
I was just walking around and I saw this kite stuck in a bush and it's broken and someone needs to fix it.
You want me to fix your kite?
Will you forget about the stupid kite?
I'm sorry I brought it up.
I want Beck back!
But you broke up with Beck.
I know! Just like when I was 7 and I threw away my potato patch pal, but then I realized I wanted him back. But it was too late because my mother already gave it away to some greedy orphans.
Jade, if you want to get back together with Beck, then why don't you just tell him?
I did, but he rejected me.
Not to be mean, but why are you coming to me for help?
Because I don't want anyone who's cool to see me like this.
Okay, maybe you should... Wait, are we friends? We're not even friends.
Well, yeah, but if you help me, maybe I'll like you.
So if I help you, I get a mean friend and a broken kite?
Please, just please talk to Beck for me.
Okay, I'll talk to Beck.
Do it soon. I got a little makeup on your pillow.
It's okay. I'll just ask my grandmother to make me another one. If she ever comes back to life. Will you guys take a look at my headshot and resume?
Sure, what for?
Psychoids got me an audition for a movie.
Oh, no,
I don't care.
You look 12 in this pic.
Well, that was the last time I was shot by a professional photographer.
My brother got shot by a clown.
Why?
Because my brother kept poking him and saying, "What you gonna do about it, clown? Huh?" It happened on a bus.
Cat, color the tiger.
Yay, crayons!
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? I think it's beaming. And bright stars through the perilous fight.
She's doing great.
She's all right.
Was so gallantly streaming, and the rockets spread glare, thunderbolts bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled
Oh, my cheeks.
Well, she remembered all the words.
Your lemonade, sir?
Thanks. Hey, why is it pink?
It's pink lemonade.
I've never seen any pink lemons.
There are no pink lemons.
So what makes it pink?
Well, you know, it's shut up!
Hi.
Hey, guess what we got? I don't care.
Come on, we got an advanced copy of The Wood. First episode. Want to watch it with us?
No, they rejected me.
I know, but I'm in it.
Yeah, I gotta go change a light bulb.
All right, let's view this.
Rank it.
Wait, don't you want to wait for Jade?
Jade's here.
I'm here.
Wait, when did you get here?
Half hour ago.
Well, where have you been?
In your room. You have a lot of things in there.
I don't.
So let's see it.
Here we go.